Hello guys, come with me to make a centerpiece with me. So then I'm gonna go ahead and take one of this glass, this big glass. You could use a smaller one if you would like. Then I took this cute little red pumpkin and I'm just gonna cut out the string. It comes with a string, but I'm gonna just go ahead and take it apart like that. The pumpkin I did get in Dollar Tree, so you could get it in there. So then just go ahead and cut all of them out until you separate the whole thing. Once you separate the whole thing, just gonna go ahead and put your pumpkin inside the glass like that. Make sure to put it one by one and then just fix it so shows the pumpkin to the front like that. And so it won't show come out like that, like to the back. So just go ahead and continue filling out the pumpkin inside your glass like that until you do the whole jar inside around it like that. But one thing that you wanted to do, I just like to do a little gold in the middle. So I'm just gonna put this cute little gold inside like that right in the middle so it just can stand out and look super cute. So then just go ahead and continue filling it out. Once you fill it out, you're gonna leave that little gap in there as you can see, and with that little gap in the middle that you're going to use, these branches, I don't want to do it in orange. So I got these branches with the orange flowers. So I'm just going to go ahead and switch it to this cute little burgundy red color of flowers. Then I'm just going to go ahead and place my flower right inside there like that, you guys. Then I'm going to take another one and place it in the other side like that. And look how cute, you guys, it's just turning out. Just by putting the flower like that, it looks super cute. So then after you guys do that, I'm gonna take another one and put it right in the middle because we want it to be filled up. We don't want it to look a little bit empty. So then I'm gonna go ahead and take another one and put it right in the middle like that. But I'm just gonna do it facing the back because we want the whole centerpiece to look nice, not just the front. So that's why I'm gonna fix this one all the way to the back like that. So once you fix it like that, look how cute it's turning out, you guys. Look how cute. I love it how it turns out. I hope you guys like it. This is something easy that you guys can do at home. But I wanted to put a little bit of light inside to see how it turns out. So I got this little light and I'm gonna go ahead and place it inside. But before you do that, just place the light first before you place the pumpkin, and then just go ahead and put the light inside your little jar like that. Just put it all the way around it, and then just go ahead and place your flower back inside the jar like we did before. And this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. Super cute. This could be great for centerpiece for your home decorations. You could do it any color that you guys would like. I think it will look super cute. You could do it with the lights or you could do it without the light. It's up to you guys how you guys want to use it. Now, another way that you guys can do, you don't have a big jar. This one don't fit the big pumpkin, so we're just gonna do the light. So I'm just gonna go ahead and place the light in the little jar like that. Just go ahead and fill it in there. Then after that, we don't want the light the library things to show, so I'm just gonna go ahead and place flour. I'm just showing you how I do my DIY. How sometimes the little struggle that we gotta go through to cover the light features like that. So then just go ahead and place it like that. Then after you cover it, just go ahead and put your flower right in the middle like that. You guys just fix it to make it look cute. Then after that, just gonna go ahead another branch and put it in the other side like that. Just face it to the front just to make the front look cute, but we also want the back to look cute as well, not just the front. So as you can see here, you can see the branches, so I did not like that. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is just grab another flower and place it there so it could cover that part out like that. And then just add up another branch right in the back like that, facing to the back, so the back also can look nice and the whole thing around it can look super cute, not just the front. And this is how cute, you guys, it turns out all the way around it like that. And look how cute, you guys, it turns out. You can leave it as that, or you could also add a little bit of the pumpkin. So I'm just gonna go ahead, take a stick, place it inside the pumpkin, and then just place the pumpkin right in the middle like that. Just put it through it and just slide it down like that until you place it in there. You could place it there, or you could just fix it however you guys want the pumpkin to show better like that. And this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. Super cute, super easy that you guys can do for your home decoration. I hope you guys like this DIY. Please comment down below letting me know what you guys think of this DIY, if you like it or not, or which one will you do in your home. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly.